Hello guys, hope you're going great. Today I want to share with you a cool bass tone I have been working. This is only for Universal Audio interface users. Sorry guys. But if you own an Apollo Twin or any of the Universal Audio, you can use it, and it's really cool, by the way, because these plugins that I'm using are all included when you buy the hardware, so you don't need to buy any extra plugins. Okay. Recently, UAD released a new update for the software, and it came with this ampeg right here. So I thought it could be, it would be a cool idea to do a bass tone just for monitoring stuff, because we don't have well, the main idea is because we have to keep the the DI really clean, and then we have another channel for the distortion. So you cannot print the aux channel on your DAW, but for recording process it's great because you can monitor, you can monitor your bass really clear. And also, I mean, if you want, you can save all the plugins and recreate the same chain in your DAW, so you have the tone. But I'm sure you can, there are other ways to make great tones for mixes. So this is for the purpose of monitoring for the recording, and I will show you right now what I have done here. So first of all, I put my just a preamp in unison mode for my DI channel, so I have very clean DI for the low end. Okay, these are the settings here. And then just right after that, I have my 1176 compressing a bit, slow release and slow attack and faster release, just compressing about 6 dB, on the low string, so you can make an idea. These are the settings also. And then I have just my tuner for tuning the bass and everything. Well, and what I do here is just send full clockwise to my aux 1, and then there I can make all the processing for the distortion. So I have my clean channel here. Okay, this is the clean DI, and then I have my distortion here. And with this I can use it like a mix knob, so I can blend both and have a right balance for the sound. So this is what I have done in the distortion channel. You have the pedal distortion here. Again, this is all plugins are included when you buy the software, so you don't need to buy any extra plugin for making this. So this is the cool thing about this, because I have tried the demos and I couldn't find a sound that I was happy for recording or whatever. So I'm really happy with this, by the way. So this is the ampeg that they released the last week with the update, so you must have it there. I'm just using this for the sake of cab simulation, because UAD don't have impulse loader right now. So I have my ampeg here, just boosting a little bit of treble, cutting the lows, because again, this is my distortion channel, so I don't want a lot of low end here. So, and then more EQ, so you can see, cutting more lows, cutting low mids, adding a little bit of mids there. Then cutting high mids, and not too much, a little bit of reverb just to make it, and to make a nice room there for the sound. So this is everything, guys. Hope you like it, and if you are interested in trying this this configuration, and if you of course you need to own an Apollo interface. So if you are interested in trying this with your bass and everything, just write your comment and leave your email, and I will send the file so you can load it right away and start tweaking it and try it with your instrument. So not too much. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, guys.